Today I'm going to teach you how to do the crossed double crochet stitch. This is a very pretty stitch. You can also do a treble crossed crochet stitch. I will link that video to the end of this one if you want to watch it next. But let me show you how to do the double. We are going to chain 2. Turn our work. The chain 2 does not count as your stitch for this round, so this is your first stitch. We're going to skip it. We're going to go into the second stitch. So we will yarn over, go into the second stitch, make our double crochet stitch, yarn over. Now we are going to go back into that first stitch that we skipped and then do a double crochet stitch. Let me show you that again. We will yarn over, skip the first stitch, go into the second stitch, yarn over, go back into that stitch that you skipped, do a double crochet, and then you have a crossed double crochet stitch. So we'll just continue skipping a stitch, doing a double crochet, yarning over, going back into that stitch that we skipped, yarn over, skip that stitch, go into the next stitch, yarn over, go back into that stitch that you skipped, do your double crochet stitch, yarn over, skip this stitch, go into the second stitch, double crochet, yarn over, go back into the stitch that you skipped, double crochet, yarn over, skip that first stitch, go into the second one. As you can see, as you work this, it starts getting very easy to work. Yarn over, skip your first stitch, go into your second. Yarn over, go into that stitch that you skipped. Now for the last one, you want to make sure that you don't go into your chain 2, but that you actually go into your last stitch. And you can tell it's a stitch because you have a V here and a V here. So we will yarn over, go into this last stitch, yarn over, go back into the one that we skipped. And then to start your next round, you will chain 2, turn your work, skip this first stitch, go into the second stitch. So yarn over, go into your second stitch, double crochet, yarn over, go into the first stitch that you skipped, and that is how you do the crossed double crochet stitch. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope that you will choose to subscribe to the channel so that I can teach you some more stitches and share some free patterns with you.